Hello, you're watching Arduino for Beginners, binary dice. Today, on the basis of the previous project, we're going to build a binary dice. Let's see. Before, we're going to build a binary dice based on the sketch of the previous project. This is the sketch. To make that, we need bits. The 3 LEDs will be the bits. But we need 2 more LEDs because we have just 1 LED. I'm going to copy and paste because it's faster. I'm going to also change the pin that the LEDs are plugged in. That's why you need 3 resistors for each LED. And now I'm going to declare each LED in the void setup as actuators. LED pin, for example, LED pin 1, LED pin 2, and LED pin 3. Also, I'm going to change the name of the variable, and I'm going to put LED bit, LED bit 1, LED bit 2, LED bit 3, because LEDs act as bits, so just for make a clear program. And LED bit 3. What we need now is a way to turn the decimal numbers into binary numbers. I will write a function to make that. Void output result. Here I'm going to declare a variable that we will use inside the function result, and now I'm going to write the function. This function writes the LEDs with a high or with a low, and that height or low depends on the number we obtain. Digital write LED bit. I'm going to copy and paste also here. LED bit 1, LED bit 2, and LED bit 3. Now, instead of right here a height or low, I'm going to turn the result we get to binary numbers, and then we're going to make that binary numbers as a height or low, and then the LED will turn on or off. To make that, we need the result we get, the result here, result, and the result, and with the AND here, that is a logical operator. We're going to combine the result to make the LED height or low, so the LED will turn on or not turn on in function of the result we obtain. As the result is in binary numbers, I have to write also binary numbers beside the operator, the AND operator. And how I specify Arduino that what I'm going to write is a binary number? But just writing a B in capital letters, B here, a B here, and a B here. And now I'm going to write the ordered numbers in the correct order. 0, 0, 1, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 1 in the first. This function will turn on and off the LED in function of the result we get. And how do we get a result? We need a random way to get a result. So we need this and a random seed, analog read, pin, when you read from Arduino the analog pin 0 with the random scene, Arduino creates a random number, give you a random number, but we need a random number specifically. Why? Because we have just a dice that has 6 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. That's why we have chosen 3 bits, because with 3 bits we can output up to 7 and we have 6, so with 3 bits we can do it. Now we will tell Arduino to do that action. If the bottom state equals to height and our bottom state is different from the current bottom state, this is the bounds here with the delay 2, because this sketch was the light switch and the bounds. We have the bounds already, we have the button already debounced. So if we press the button, we will use this function with a random number. First we write the function output result with a random number for random and between 1 and 7, because with 3 bits we can write up to 7 as I have just said. And with this program we will be able to make what we wanted. Now I'm going to upload this to Arduino. I almost forget to tell you that it's quite recommendable to use the serial monitor in this sketch, so you can see each result you get. For that you have just to declare here the baud rate, then initialize the serial with the baud rate as we have made in other projects, and then in the output result function you write this line to tell Arduino to write in the serial monitor the result you get. Now I'm going to show you the LEDs mounted on the breadboard. Here I have the 3 LEDs and the button with the resistors. I haven't said this before, but when you are wiring, make sure that you choose a correct color for the cables. If you connect a LED or a button to ground, use the black. Well, I'm going to push the button and you will see as the LEDs change and turn on and off in function of the result we get. If I do it fast, it works perfectly, and if I keep it pressed, it also works perfectly, because we have the button debounced. If the button is not debouncing, probably strange thing would happen, or probably the LEDs would change their position too fast if I keep the button pressed and the button is not debounced. Well, this is all. In the next project we will add another bit to our sketch, another LED. So we will have 14 sides binary dice. This is all. Thank you.